Hey guys, Alina here, Facebook ads expert, helping small and medium business owners get more customers with their Facebook ads. So recently I've been talking about the mistakes I see business owners making with their Facebook ads. And today we're talking about mistake number 2, which is not crafting an interesting offer or promo to get a lead through your Facebook ads. So allow me to explain. If you want someone to give you their name, their email address, or their phone number, basically acquire a lead through an ad, you have to give them a reason to do it. Most people encounter resistance when they see a form, right? They don't want to fill out their details. It's a pain, and what are they going to do with my details? But if there's an offer that's exciting enough or enticing enough for them to overcome the resistance of filling out that form, they're going to do so. But instead, what I see a lot of businesses doing is just pointing an ad to their website, and there's a form there saying register your interest or find out more, and then you're sort of crossing your fingers and hoping that they do that. So let's start off and actually look at an example of an ad that has a promo offer versus one that is generic and the type that I see a lot of businesses unfortunately doing. So let's start off with my fake example of ABC Yoga Studio. Very clever name, I know. So here's something that I usually see. Something like, ABC Yoga Studio offers a wide range of yoga classes from Hatha to Ashtanga, packages starting from 700 dirhams a month. Inquire now. Yoga Studio in Jumeirah, learn more. Ta-da! See, is that exciting or does it feel kind of bland? I often see yoga studios, just businesses talking a little bit about themselves and the features, saying prices starting from here, generic headline, maybe something like best yoga studio or we're in Jumeirah or come see us now. But there's nothing uniquely exciting about this. Versus if you had an ad that said this. I've kept the same image to show you just how much of a difference copy and a promo offer can make. So something like, hey yogis, this week only, ABC Yoga Studio in Jumeirah is giving away 50 free class passes. Enter your details below and we'll message you a free class pass instantly. Hurry, there's only 50 and these will go in a few hours. Headline says, book a free yoga class, 50 spots only. The offer is ending in a few days. So you're creating a bit of that urgency and scarcity. There's a clear call to action. We're telling you there's only 50 passes. Click here, enter your details, and you'll receive the voucher. You can see how that might be more exciting for someone and give them more of a reason to enter their details than something generic. And side note, I know you may be worried that here you're giving away something for free versus here you might get an actual paying customer, but I want you to think about the conversion rates. Maybe 1 out of 100 might come to you through this generic ad where they inquire and they'll pay the 700 dirhams a month. Or you can get 50 people in 1 week coming through your door, and if we are targeting your ideal customer in the back end, excluding the time wasters and people you don't want, only the people who you want to see this ad will see this ad. And if they like your service, remember, the value is going to be created after people actually experience your service. Once they're there and they love it, you can upsell them to a 7-day pass, to a 1-month pass. You are likely to get way more conversions out of those 50 people coming in 1 week than running this ad maybe for a couple of months and getting 1 person through it. So I hope that helps, and we will chat next week. Bye.